She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. Alright, so today's video is a collab video with my girl, and I can call her my girl now, but it's with my girl At Home with Keita, and I absolutely love her channel, and I'm sure almost all of you guys do as well. And we decided to do a collab with kind of like a grocery challenge is what we're calling it, and I'm really excited about it because I can normally stay within budget, but sometimes I go a little bit over. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys my process of how I buy my groceries, and then was I able to stay within our $75 budget. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, I always start off with my weekly meal planner, and this is how I kind of know what I'm doing for the whole week. So I love these sheets, these half sheets, and I think they came back out with these. I got them when they came out with the Glam Girl line, but so this week, 219 to 225. All right, so Monday we're having spaghetti and corn and garlic bread. Okay, and then Tuesday we're gonna have tacos. Wednesday, let's have some hamburgers with bacon, and then we'll have fries with that. Okay, and Thursday gonna have leftovers for sure. Friday we'll have, ooh, I can't spell, fish sticks. And can you guys see that? Let me zoom in some more. Okay, there we go. Fish sticks and maybe fries. And then Saturday we normally eat out, but if we don't, then we'll do meatballs. And then Sunday, meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and peas. I know everybody's meals are different, so if y'all don't like some stuff, I understand. These are just what my family likes and what we eat. So yeah, like me and my son can do spaghetti and corn, but like if Courtney and his son are here, then I have to have a meat with it. But like with the way that I was kind of brought up, like fish and spaghetti, there was like a meal there. Or you just had spaghetti by itself, and if it had meat in it, then that was a meal by itself. So I don't know however anybody else does it, but yeah, those are different things, cultural things, I guess you could say. Yeah, so then once I get done with that, then I take this list and I'll usually like run through my pantry real quick and I'll see what I need. But based on the list that I created, I know I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turkey meats. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down, and I use turkey meat and not ground beef, so and I usually just put those down there. Oil, cereals, and okay, so here is my list of stuff that I need to get for this week, and it's pretty much everything. I get 2 of the spaghetti sauces because I use like 1.5 of the sauces. That's because like the next day it's a lot better if you put just a little bit of extra sauce in your spaghetti, and that keeps it from being like dry or whatever when you're eating it. And then everything else is just for the meals, and I got the cereals down. Oh, you know what? I need my Pepsi for work, which I don't need that, but I got a problem. And then cereals, I think we're gonna do Lucky Charms and Special K. Okay. Oh, and so almost forgot. Need milk. Need hamburger buns. Oh my gosh. This is why it pays to write things down. Okay, so here is our list of stuff that we have to get. Now I'm going to show you how I go on my phone and I place my order on my phone. Alright you guys, so I have successfully failed and things just didn't go as planned. So anywho, let's get into this. So they ended up not having all of my items. So my estimated online total was $77.86, which was only $2 over my budget, and that was with the fee for the pickup. Okay, I like doing it this way because it does help me stay on track of my budget and all of that stuff. But yeah, anyways, okay, so this came out and I actually ended up spending $81.99, and that did include the tax plus the $4.95 fee. So if I did, let's see where I really ended up at. Okay, so if I did $81.99 minus $4.95, I really was at $77.04. So minus 75. Okay, so I was plus 2. Why did I just do that? I gotta do that math in my head. Okay. So anyways, I was plus $2.04 from my budget. So yeah, this was kind of a fail, but not too much of a fail, but it would have been even more. Like, they were out of the Bluebonnet sticks, they were out of the Lucky Charms, but they just substituted that. And so I guess only about 89 more cents would have been spent, because that's how much that was, and I only ordered one. Everything else was substituted. So yeah, that's how that comes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so super excited about this. Make sure you guys go check out At Home with Kita's video. You're going to love it. You know, she's going to be very thorough and give you the whole process as well. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye.